A city day starts with the sunrise in the blue sky. People in the city have their morning coffee and delicious breakfast for welcoming their new day. The day continues with the lunch and dinner with their friends and families to enjoy the life of the moment. Food is a necessary and inseparable part of our lives. Nearly 80% of all the food produced in the world is consumed by the cities. But we have a problem in the cities: food waste. Every year, 1.3 billion tons of food are wasted. Food waste is responsible for 6% of the total greenhouse gas emissions of the Earth. So, what would be the solutions?
At Greenfield Solutions, we don't just solve the world's most complex waste management challenges. We introduce solutions that add real value, and we eagerly contribute to a better planet. Greenfield Solutions works with some of the world's largest food manufacturers to give new purpose to undervalued or altogether discarded food byproducts.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I would like to share a great story about food waste recycling. Greenfield Solution in the US. Greenfield Solution cooperated with the large companies in Texas to take the dairy products from the grocery stores, like expired milks, yogurts, and creams are taken by Greenfield and turned into a powder that can be used to make a great nutrition for food of pigs and cows. Throughout this project, they are keeping millions of tons of materials out of the landfills to keep pigs and cows healthy all around the world. Maybe you have questions about why and how this solution would contribute. Let's find out more. In 2019, more than 35% of all food in the US went unsold and uneaten. This is 408 billion USD worth of food, roughly 2% of USD GDP, with a greenhouse gas footprint equivalent to 4% of total greenhouse gas emissions of the US. Every year, more than 100 million tons of this excess food is upcycled and for feeding the livestock in the US. In order to present a plate of food before you, the entire intricacies of the food system come into play, encompassing each component within its framework. Nevertheless, it's noteworthy that the food system accounts for 34% of the global greenhouse gas emissions. So, what are the elements of the food system? The first element of the food system is agricultural production, which requires a substantial amount of green and blue water as well as energy. Then, the agricultural products are transported from farms to warehouses and markets for food processing and distribution. Transportation consumes a significant amount of fuel, diesel, and other types of energy, leading to the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Third element is food processing in the factories as well as selling in the market. Factories and markets are the biggest consumers of electricity and water. When we purchase food from supermarkets and food marts, energy is also used for cooling and preserving the freshness of the food. After acquiring our food from stores, we store it in the refrigerators or coolers, which also consume high amount of energy. In both home kitchens and restaurants, the cooking process entails significant consumption of water and energy to prepare the delectable dishes that grace our plates. Indeed, production, consumption, and distribution of food involve considerable energy and water input throughout the entire food system. When food is wasted, not only we lose the materials and resources used in producing it, but also we waste more resources in managing and disposing the food waste. This inefficiency in the food system contributes to environmental issues such as greenhouse gas emissions and land degradation and water scarcity. By reducing food waste and making a conscious effort to finish the food on our plates, we can play a valuable role to conserve the natural resources, mitigating environmental impact, and promoting sustainability. Every individual's actions to minimizing food waste can lead collectively to a meaningful reduction in the energy and water footprint of the food system. Together, by valuing and respecting the natural resources that go into food production, we can make a positive impact to protect our planet for our new generations. Thank you for watching. If you found out this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to have more content like this. Stay tuned for our next videos coming soon. See you next time and enjoy your day.